Hope that all of you are fine. Today we are going to start new chapter, Institutional Representation of Democracy. This is chapter 2 of Civics class 7. Our first topic is Universal Adult Franchise. Students, Universal Adult Franchise means all the citizens above the age of 18 years, irrespective of their caste, creed, religion, or gender, are given equal right to vote. So it means that all the persons of the country above the age of 18 years, irrespective of their caste, here caste means Brahmins, that is priest, Kshatriyas, that is warriors, Vaishyas, that is merchant, and Shudras includes commoners and peasants. All are given equal right to vote, irrespective of their creed. Creed means whatever belief they are having, irrespective of their religion. We all know that there are different religions in our country and all religions got equal right to vote, whether it is Jainism, Hinduism, Islam, Christianity and Sikhism. And irrespective of the gender, gender means where the person is male or female, all are given equal right to vote under the system of universal adult franchise. Universal adult franchise is also known as universal adult suffrage. Both are same. Universal adult franchise establishes and ensures the political equality. It also secures the democratic government and makes a government accountable to the people. Now, what are elections? Elections is a process in which common people give vote to choose their representatives. In India, elections are held in every 5 years. So, in India, elections are held in every 5 years for the Parliament and State Legislative Assembly. Election Commission is responsible for conducting free and fair elections. In, in, in India, the responsibility of Election Commission is the free and fair election. It treats all the political parties and candidates equally. The Election Commission is self-governing body. It means that it is an independent body and it is not dependent on anyone. The Election Commission of India was set up in 1950. There are 3 members in an election commission in which the Chief Election Commissioner is the head and he is assisted by 2 other election commissioners. Do you know who is the president of our country? Students, all the 3 members of election commission are appointed by the president of country. So, the president of country is Ram Nath Kovind. Ram Nath Kovind is the 14th president of India. And one more question is there. Who are the election commissioners of our country? Do you know who are the election commissioners of our country? Mr. Sunil Arora is the Chief Election Commissioner of country and the 2 other election commissioners are Sushil Chandra and Ashok Lavasa. All these 3 members are appointed by the President of country. The next is Election Commission also announces the date of elections, the rules which should be followed by all the political parties and the result of elections. So Election Commission announces the date of election, rules for political parties and result of elections. At the end of election, the Election Commission submits the list of successful candidates. And Election Commission also prepare a voter list. Do you know what is voter list? Voter list contains the name of all the candidates who are eligible to vote. The commission then issues the electoral photo identity card to all the eligible voters. This is the picture of photo identity card. It contains elector's photo, elector's name, father's name, sex, date of birth and address. The voters should carry photo ID card when they go to cast their vote. Thank you, students. Stay home, be safe.